Have you ever been in a situation where you want to travel light, but as soon as you look into your closet, you're like, how am I gonna fit everything in there? Well, last time we went to Germany packing a carry-on bag, fitting stuff for 2 people. That was not easy. But we have used different techniques to help us successfully pack every single thing we need in our little carry-on. Of course, we didn't think about souvenirs and all that stuff, so whoopsie daisy. Well, let's have a look at the tips that we have used, shall we? Let's go. Number 1, roll your clothes. Have you ever tried to fold them and you're like, I can't pack any more things in there? Because when you fold your clothes, you usually can put about 4 to 5 of them on each side. On the other hand, if you roll your clothes, you can get a lot more, and that saves a lot more space for something else. Number 2, put some stuff in your shoes. Who doesn't bring extra shoes? Like, especially girls like us, we always bring extra. This one also helps with saving more space. You can put anything that you don't mind being inside your shoes. You can put socks, any smaller stuff in there. But if you really are not comfortable with putting some stuff inside your shoes, then what you can do is you can get a plastic bag, put your stuff in it, then you can put it inside your shoes. That way, if your shoes are a bit stinky, it will be fine. Number 3, put the shoes inside the plastic bags. Well, okay. This one doesn't really help you with saving up space, but it saves your shoes from touching everything else you've got in there. You seriously don't have to be an OCD to do this. It just, you don't want your new clothes to be dirty. Definitely recommend it. Number 4, put all your liquid in smaller containers. Saves a lot of space, saves a lot of hassles, and saves money. Do you want to know how? Well, you know, sometimes when you go abroad and you just have to buy every single toiletries again, because firstly, it's either too big, you can't take it with you when you have a carry-on, because anything over 100 milliliters get thrown away just like that, and you're like, oh my god, my money has been wasted again. Well, this way it saves all of those hassles just by putting, let's say, your contact lens solutions, lotion, perfume, cream in smaller containers, and then put it in a separate bag just for your toiletries, so you know where it is. This also makes it a lot easier to store, and you don't even have to worry about the weight because they are so light. And these containers can be found anywhere, cosmetic stores. I think even Poundland would have some. Number 5, bring another bag. Don't worry, this one won't cost you any more hassles. Think about it. You have to bring your passport or any other important things with you anyway. And you're allowed to bring another small bag with you on the plane even though you have a carry-on. Might as well take advantage of it. So in this separate bag, you can put a passport, your purse. I always put chargers in there, my camera charger, my camera, laptop. Also, if you notice, you have to bring your laptop and your electronics out when you're going through the luggage point anyway, so it's so much easier to just take it out from the smaller bag instead of having to repack everything and take it out of your carry-on bag. And another benefit is that it saves more space. You can now put a lot more things in there, more clothes, more shoes, more things, maybe even souvenirs if you ever want to buy some. Number 6, okay, I know people struggle still even after all these tricks, but if they don't work, just sit on it, girl. Sit on your luggage, then zip it up. Trust me, this always works no matter what size your luggage is, whether it's small, big, it always works. Thanks everyone for watching. If you want more travel tips like this one, just go to compareholidaymoney.com and you'll find everything, literally everything you need. For now, I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye!